Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a beautiful and fully responsive website which is designed in Tailwind CSS. This website deals with organic products and natural essential oils and some herbs. So it's fully responsive. You can see the design, the navbar, and beautiful cursor, and then the about us section and the feature products and the simple footer. You can see here is the mega menu section and the shop, about us, contact. So let's check the responsiveness of this page. I'm using Chrome DevTool. So close that. Let's go to the mobile. First go to the iPad Pro. Okay, 12 inch. Yeah, it's good. And this will be toggle after in touch display type screen. You can see the sub page. Yeah, it's working. I need to fix some of these cards so that they fit inside the card. So this website is designed in Tailwind CSS and the backend is in Laravel, but you can easily convert the Tailwind CSS and Laravel combination in just HTML and Tailwind CSS. That's not the big issue. Let's take the mobile. I think let's go to the Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, you can see the beautiful navbar, toggleable drop down, and yeah, this is fully scrollable if the content do not fit inside the drop down. Okay, that's all. There is active status link. Let's go to the about us section. Yeah, this is the about us section. I need to fix the logo and everything is working. So and that's all for today. If you like the design, you can contact me. I will attach my email address in the video description, and it's in my Git repository. That's private because it's one of my clients' website, so I can put that in public repository. So that's all. Bye bye. Keep watching and keep loving.